Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hauls, reviews, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. And today I am literally out of breath. So let me just grab some water first. Alright guys, thank you so much for liking my content recently. I am really happy that you guys are liking my recent content. So today I'm not going to disappoint you guys. मेरे पास हैं कुछ नए products from the brand named Faces Canada. I have whole lot of products in this particular pouch over here. So if you are interested to see what all Faces Canada launched और मेरे पास कौन कौन से product है, so continue watching. सो गाइस फेसेस कनाडा पे चल रहा था बाय टू गेट वन फ्री. बाय द वे ये पीआर नहीं है, ना ही कोलैब है. दीज आर माय ओन ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन. या तो बाय टू गेट वन फ्री मिल रहा था. तो देयर वर सम न्यू लॉन्चेस जो कि मुझे करना था रिव्यू, तो आई गॉट देम. सो मैं बता देती हूँ मेरे पास क्या क्या है सो दैट यू गाइज आर नॉट डिसअपॉइंटेड. सो मेरे पास उनका न्यू हाईलाइटर है, देयर ब्लश. देन आई हैव देयर रिवैम्प्ड लिपस्टिक. 3 शेड्स है मेरे पास इसके. एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि इसी वीडियो में मैं इसके स्वॉचेस कर देती हूँ. वाई टू वेस्ट योर टाइम 10 अलग अलग वीडियो बनाने में. एंड लास्टली आई हैव देयर फाउंडेशन. ठीक है, तो मेरे पास इतने ही प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. सो चलो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो एज वी विल स्टार्ट विद द सीरम फाउंडेशन. बाय द वे दिस इज फेसेस कैनेडा अल्टाइन प्रो सेकंड स्किन फाउंडेशन. दिस इज द मिनी वेरिएंट. दे डू हैव बड़ा वाला वेरिएंट बट ये मिनी है. And by the way, it retails for 899 rupees. And my shade in this is Warm Sand 042. I hope it matches me. And they say that it is ultra thin skin perfecting formula that provides seamless coverage. It also has SPF 15. It is liquid creamy texture that melts into your skin like a serum. Yeah, you heard me right. This is like a serum foundation. I haven't used it. Using it for the first time with you guys. This is preservative and mineral oil free. And they say this is anti-aging with a unique marine based algae extract. I don't know about that because can a foundation be anti-aging? I don't know. I'm not sure about it. So yeah, and let me tell you the quantity. It has 15 ml of product and it is formulated in Italy. It is animal test free and it is vegan also. So yeah, this is Faces Canada Ultime Pro foundation. Now talking about the actual packaging, this is how it looks like. Now it comes in a glass bottle like so with a dropper that I really appreciate. And I really love the packaging because it looks really luxe. And they say that you have to shake it well before use. Serum foundations को आपको अच्छे से shake करना ही पड़ता है, otherwise ना वो अच्छे से work नहीं करते. And please ignore my hair today because मैंने आज hair wash नहीं किया. It's so cold in Delhi. हाँ, yeah, थोड़ा सा liquidy, of course ये होगा, I think so. And then you get this dropper. Yeah. And the shelf life of this product is 3 years. I think बहुत सही है यार. 3 साल तो it's good amount of time. So you know the drill, right? One side I'm going to use this beauty blender and the other side I'm going to use a foundation brush. And yeah, that's it. तो चलो let's use. And by the way, मैंने अपना face पहले ही moisturize किया हुआ है. I have used Earth Rhythms 100% Squalene. It's a really good product. It works amazingly for my skin. मैंने ये 2-3 घंटे पहले किया था and still my skin feels so hydrated. So I'm not going to apply it once more. So I'm just going to take it. ठीक है? And the thing is, I'm not going to apply it directly on my face क्योंकि ना I really don't know कि ये अगर spill हो गया तो. Look at the texture. Awesome. It is so liquidy but creamy at the same time. Plus I think this shade is a little too orange for my liking. But let's see. Let's just apply. Yeah, definitely this is dark for me. So if you are someone of my skin tone NC42, तो प्लीज इससे एक शेड ऊपर लेना. यू कैन गो फॉर सैंड. आई थिंक सैंड विल बी अ गुड मैच फॉर यू. वार्म सैंड इज अ लिटिल डार्कर बट what I like is this feels like a serum as they say. Now let me just blend this. Oh god, this is blending so nicely. I wasn't expecting this guys क्योंकि Faces Canada के ना लिपस्टिक एंड एवरीथिंग अच्छे होते हैं बट इनका फाउंडेशन मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया तो आई वॉजंट श्योर. बट एक चीज मैंने नोटिस की कि आफ्टर ब्लेंडिंग ना ये कलर पता नहीं लग रहा है कि डार्क है क्योंकि जब मैंने लगाया था इट वॉज अपियरिंग अ लिटिल बिट डार्कर बट देन अभी इट्स लाइक लुकिंग गुड फॉर माई स्किन. एंड इट डज हैव अ फ्रेग्रेंस. थोड़ी सी ना क्रीम टाइप की फ्रेग्रेंस. अगर आप 90s बॉर्न हो तो बोरोलिन की जो स्मेल होती है ना इट फील्स लाइक दैट. बट गाइस व्हाट आई लाइक इज ना कि ये कितना अच्छा मुझे ग्लो दे रहा है. जस्ट लुक एट दिस. इट्स गिविंग मी अ रियली नाइस ग्लो. इधर इतना ग्लो नहीं है बट इधर ग्लो है. एंड यू सॉ कि मैंने स्क्वालिन अप्लाई नहीं किया पहले बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड टू सी बिकॉज इट्स अ सीरम फाउंडेशन. तो वाओ, आई मीन अमेजिंग एंड इट्स सो लाइट वेट एज वेल. एंड एक चीज मैं बता दूं गाइस, इसका कवरेज इज नॉट दैट मच. ठीक है, अगर आप एक्सपेक्ट करोगे कि बहुत बढ़िया कवरेज मिले, ऐसा नहीं है. इवन आउट कर देगा आपके स्किन को, बट डेफिनेटली इट इज लाइट वेट. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट हम अप्लाई कर लेते हैं डायरेक्टली. चलो डायरेक्टली करें क्या? आई जस्ट होप कि ये मेरे कपड़ों पे ना गिरे. आई मीन ओके, डू यू सी, दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. आई जस्ट होप कि ये मेरे यहाँ, यस चलो ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स जस्ट apply this with a brush and let's see. Ooh, I am really liking it. The only thing is that this is liquidy, no doubt. So I would tell you guys not to directly use it from the dropper. Please take it on a tray or back of your hand and then use, otherwise it may spill. Awesome. Wow. So definitely what I feel is कि brush से ना इसका coverage is a little bit more than a beauty blender. Just going to take a little bit more जहाँ पे मुझे pigmentation है, and let's see how it works there. I mean, whatever it is, now I really loved the way this foundation blended. Like दोनों से, with the beauty blender and with the brush, I can't choose कि मैं क्या लूँ. But I think this time I would prefer a beauty blender because this feels super hydrating. And oh my god, I am so happy with this. It is giving me a really nice glow and it is perfect for this winter season. Like I am someone who is oily during summers and dry during winters. It's a little weird, but yeah, अगर आप बहुत ही गर्म जगह पे रहते हो ना, या अगर आप बहुत ही ह्यूमिड वाले क्लाइमेट में रहते हो, तब आई थिंक ये नहीं आप पे सूट करे. क्योंकि आई कांट सी माई सेल्फ वेयरिंग दिस इन विंटर मंथ्स, क्योंकि इन समर मंथ्स आई एम सो सॉरी बिकॉज ये हो सकता है यहाँ से थोड़ा ऑयली हो जाए टी जोन से, क्योंकि सीरम फाउंडेशन है ना. दैट इज वाई आई डोंट यूज अ लॉट ऑफ सीरम फाउंडेशन, ग्लोई फाउंडेशन इन समर्स, बट फॉर विंटर्स I am loving this. I really love the way it applied. I'm all about it. And I'm not going to use any powder. ठीक है, because I really want to be this glowy. Anyways, so we will see कि ये transfer होता है या नहीं after some time. Let's give it some time, then we will see, okay? Now, till the time, let us use the blush. So this is the berry blush. ठीक है? So this is a new launch and this is how the packaging looks like. So this is berry blush, goji berry oil plus shea butter. And this is paraben free, this is mineral free, doesn't have any type of parabens. This is velvet matte finish, silky smooth texture, blends effortlessly, long stay and cruelty free. That's a long list. Retails for 349 rupees and the shelf life is 3 years. And let me tell you the quantity, that is 4 grams of product. And ये वाला जो shade है, let me tell you the shade also. Shade name is Call Me Honey. So the shade name is not mentioned inside वाला packaging पे. So you need to keep this if you want to remember the shade later. इसके अंदर 3 shades ही थे, what I noticed. And guys, अगर shades मैंने देखे ना, the shades are really light. मतलब dark shades नहीं है. तो I really don't know how this will look on dusky skin tone. क्योंकि मैंने जो लिया था, that is Call Me Honey. This is how it looks like. This is a peachy color. But again, if you can see, this is not a very dark color. It's a very light color. So I did not find a lot of dark shades. Light shades ही थे सारे. ठीक है. And packaging, cardboard packaging है, cute सी packaging है. Reminds me of sugar packaging. ठीक है. हाँ, sugar का भी ऐसा ही. So I'm going to take this color, tap off the excess. बहुत ज़्यादा fallout नहीं है. And going to apply. And yeah, I can't see any color actually. So let me just give you a swatch. ठीक है. Okay, this is how the color looks like, जो कि guys बहुत ही light color है. I don't know how this is going to look on my skin. तो मैं थोड़ा सा और लेती हूँ and I'm not going to tap off the excess this time क्योंकि I can't see. Yeah, now I can see the color. Yeah, it's more of a peachy, orangey, browny type of color. I mean, अगर आप वो natural blush चाहते हो ना, if you're a office going girl या college जाते हो and you want that natural flush of color, maybe this is your jam. But I'm not very happy with the shade. I mean, I have better blushes. ये वाला shade is not that good. बट हाँ बहुत ही नेचुरल है फॉर माई स्किन टोन. सो इफ यू आर लाइटर देन मी देन मे बी प्रॉब्ली यू कैन लाइक इट, यू विल लाइक इट. ठीक है, डार्कर देन मी प्लीज डू नॉट थिंक ऑफ गेटिंग दीज, बिकॉज पिगमेंटेशन ही नहीं है. I don't know, I can't see it, like definitely I can't see it. So please let me know if you guys can see a little bit of pigmentation. I think बहुत ही हल्का है and ज़्यादा नहीं है. So I don't know, I did not like the blush क्योंकि the color is not speaking to me. So this is the blush for you. Now इसके साथ इन्होंने एक highlighter भी release किया था, only one highlighter. ठीक है, only one shade. So this is the highlighter, looks the same. Again says the same thing. This has velvet sheen, blends effortlessly, no paraben, no mineral oil. Retails for 399 rupees for 4 grams of product. So again 3 years का shelf life है. This is what it looks like. Now let me just give you a swatch. Now this is definitely very smooth to touch, and this is the color. So it's a very nice champagne type का color जो I think सारे skin tone पे suit कर जाएगा according to me. Let me just apply this. Yeah, definitely this has a very nice sheen to it, as if you know inside, glowing from inside. Yeah, definitely I like the highlighter क्योंकि बहुत ही सुंदर सा seamless सा finish है ना highlighter का. So I really like it. It's not chunky. So if you are someone who does not like chunky highlighters, अगर आपको ऐसे highlighters पसंद है जो कि within का glow देंगे, this is definitely for you. You can also apply it on your eyelid just to give that you know big eyelids wala effect. Yeah, I definitely love the highlighter. So till now I am liking the highlighter, I'm liking the foundation. I don't like the blush that much because of the pigmentation. Now let's move towards the last part. Which are these lipsticks. ठीक है, ये वो लिपस्टिक हैं. नाउ मैंने अपने चैनल पे फेसेस कनाडा की इन वाले लिपस्टिक्स का बहुत पहले रिव्यू किया था जब वो लॉन्च हुए थे. सो दिस इज हाउ द लिपस्टिक इज. दिस इज देयर वेटलेस मैट फिनिश लिपस्टिक. डिटेल्स फॉर 299 रुपीज फॉर 4.5 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. 3 years का शेल्फ लाइफ है इसका. These are made in India, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So these are weightless matte lipstick. Now I have already reviewed these. I don't know if the formula has changed. Talking about the inner packaging, it's the same. This is how the inner packaging is. It's a black bullet. MAC के lipstick की याद दिलाता है. Faces Canada is written over here, and the shade name is written over here. And when you open this, yeah, this is how the bullet looks like. So they have changed the bullet. They have made more precision type ka bullet. So let me tell you, I have number 16 royal maroon, number 25 brown ashes, and I have this color that is number 9 red bombshell. So I'm just going to apply one by one, and yeah, you guys can see how it looks like and then decide for yourself. Now definitely I can feel that this cut looks really nice. It doesn't look very cheap. It looks really good. So I'm just going to remove my lip balm. This is how bombshell red looks like. It's a really nice red color. It's definitely a warm red. It's not a cool red. So what I like about this formula is that it is really creamy and it does not feel a lot matte. And plus I love the shape of the lipstick, how it applied. Definitely I love this one over the traditional bullet because you know it applied super nicely and the formula is quite comfortable. It's the same. The formula hasn't changed much, and I'm sure it will transfer because it is not completely matte. Yeah, this will transfer, but not that much. If you're looking for a good red lipstick, this can be your jam. So I'll quickly swatch the other 2 shades for you, and then I'll tell you my opinion about all these products. This is the next shade. Let me tell you the shade, which is number 25 brown ashes. Now it is more mauve than brown, what I feel. This is perfect nude color for someone who is of my skin tone. It's not very light. It has this brown and mauve ka effect, which is a really nice color I feel, especially winters mein. If you are feeling like wearing a nude color, this is going to be a really good color I feel. Okay guys, this is the last color. It's a really nice maroon sort of color. Let me tell you the color name. This is royal maroon, but what I feel is कि ये बहुत dark maroon नहीं है. दिस इज गोइंग टू सूट यू इफ यू लव मरून बट आपको बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क कलर नहीं चाहिए. It will look fab on Indian skin tone. I can already see that. Alright guys, so this is some new products which I tried from Faces Canada. Now I haven't used any other product on my face just to see the longevity and the efficacy of these products. So now I think the foundation has been sitting for quite long. So let's do a transfer test. So I have this tissue. So let me just press it. Let's see if it transfers anything. Nothing. Yeah, nothing at all. And you know, while touching my face now I can feel कि ये जो foundation है वो अब मेरे face में अच्छे से sink in हो गया है and the glow is definitely there and it is not looking drying or patchy. My face is not looking patchy from anywhere. So till now I'm really liking it. Now talking about the blush, the color of the blush is not there. पहले भी नहीं था and it's not there right now also. But the highlighter looks great I feel, plus the lipstick also. So let me just give you guys a check-in after some time and let's see how does all the things look like. Now I'm definitely pretty sure that the blush is not good. Please don't go for the blush. And till now I really like the highlighter as well. I love the foundation and the lipstick. So सबसे favorite मेरा वैसे foundation ही है. So I'll give you guys a check-in after some time. Alright guys, excuse the lighting because I'm not sitting in my studio right now. So as you can see, there isn't any evidence of my highlighter and blush. So highlighter बिल्कुल उड़ गया है. Highlighter actually बहुत पहले उड़ चुका था and अभी इस वक्त 8 बज रहे हैं और मैंने जब इसको ट्राई किया था आई थिंक 3 बज रहे थे, तो 5 घंटे हो गए हैं गाइज. एंड हाईलाइटर उड़ चुका है, ब्लश तो था ही नहीं एंड लिपस्टिक इज स्टिल देयर. एंड थोड़ी देर बाद जो लिपस्टिक है ना वो मैट हो जाती है एंड ट्रांसफर नहीं होती है. ठीक है, मैं मास्क पहन के गई थी तो बिल्कुल ट्रांसफर नहीं हुआ था. प्लीज एक्सक्यूज माई हेयर ऑल्सो. और द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट आई एम लविंग द फाउंडेशन. मेरा क्रीसिंग कहीं से नहीं हुआ है because the foundation is very very lightweight. So one thing which I want you guys to pick up from this video is the foundation definitely, and the second number will be the lipstick I love. Okay, that's about it guys. I hope you enjoyed and please like, subscribe and comment. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.